Okay guys, this is Emmanuel. In today's video we're gonna fix the light for the trunk. We're gonna make it super bright. Let's do it. Alright guys, this is my Corolla, and one problem that we always have with the trunk is the light. You can see it there. It has this bulb and it's very dim. It's hard to see here. I have a light on my camera, but this is the actual light. You cannot see anything. You can see that's the actual light, but I'm putting light on my camera so you can see the interior. Okay, so we're gonna install a cool LED light. Let me show you which one. So this is the light that we have today. It's a LED strip that you can put on your trunk and it will make it brighter. This is the white LED strip. Okay, I'm gonna put the link on the description for this one. I got it from Amazon, but I'm gonna put an eBay link and Amazon link on the bottom so you can get it on whatever you like, what website you like the most. Okay, so let's open this thing and let's see how it looks. Alright guys, this is the LED strip. It's very simple, but it will make the trunk super bright. It has already double-sided tape on the back, so that's amazing. And it has two different connections, okay? So it will work for different vehicles, okay? Cars or truck or multiple cars, alright? So this is the connection for my car. This is a T10 connection. Also remember, this is a negative and positive connection. If this doesn't work when you connect it, you're gonna have to unplug it, rotate this and put it back, and that's it. Okay, so I think this should be pretty easy. Let's remove this bulb and let's see how bright it is. Let's do it. All right, you can see it right there. It's amazing. Let me turn off the light of my camera. You can see it there. Whoa, very bright. Yes, I love it. Cool. Okay, one thing. Remember this one, it has a negative and positive connection, so you have to play a little bit with the connection, and also be careful this connection. If you move a little bit, the light won't work. Okay, so be very careful. Connected. Try not to break this one because it's very fragile. Okay, this the connection, the OEM connection. All right, so it works pretty good. It's amazing. So let's see a before and after. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off the lights so you can see how bright this thing it is. It's amazing. Wow. And it's very cheap. Cool. So let's see it before and after. Okay guys, that's the LED light. It's amazing. It's an LED strip. Okay, the link is gonna be on the description of the video if you wanna get this. Remember, the connection, the OEM connection, is very fragile, so don't break it. Do it carefully. All right, so, and have a lot of patience. But it's super easy to install this one. You can see it right there. Very bright. So let me know what you guys think. Put in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.